New year, new plan. Diana, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Ronnie. And Happy New Year to you guys.
Happy New Year, guys. Welcome to our channel. This is the first video of 2025, and we are going to unroll our content for our business for this new year. So let's jump right into it. The first point, we want our free content to be available on more platforms. Right now, where are we mostly famous for?
So we are mostly famous on YouTube.
Right.
And we are also present on Instagram.
Yes.
I've been present with my personal account for a long time, but we created the Team RonDi Instagram account late in 2024. So if you haven't followed us yet there, you should do it. We are publishing a lot of short form tutorials. So the content is really great. And on 2025, we want to be present on TikTok, LinkedIn with our personal accounts, and on Facebook as well.
So more platform gives you more ways to run into our content, but also we want to be where you guys are spending your time. And in order to be making an impact on these platforms, we need to adapt our content into these new formats, because not every platform is the same and not everything works the same way. So right now we are quite heavy on long form videos, but we want to be and develop a stronger repertoire of content in carousels, in shorts and images, behind the scenes and stuff like that, but also live sessions, mostly on YouTube, but why not explore also other venues? The mission is the same, right? We're not changing that.
Yeah.
So it's still the same. Like, we want to provide fun and no BS educational content, tutorials, to help you master the tools. And why? Well, because we want you to build your digital business just like we did.
Indeed, this business gave us a lot of freedom and also opened so many doors, so many opportunities that we are very grateful for.
We would like you to go through the same motions. It's hard for me to see so many friends of mine in their 9-to-5 jobs suffering, and when they hear, oh, you guys, you have so much fun, you have so much things you can do, you can take a day off in the middle of the week, you can do this and that, travel. Yes, we can, but that's because we work hard to build a business that allow us to have this kind of flexibility, freedom, and lifestyle. So we want to help you get the same. Canva is still our main focus, and we will obviously continue to create content about Canva. We are strengthening our relationship with Canva. We will both still be Canva verified experts. As a reminder, there are about 52, 55 Canva experts worldwide. I'm not sure exactly about the number, but hey, you guys have two of them right here in the same room, giving you free content. So on the same channel with different channels. So being a Canva expert for us really means different things. First is that we represent Canva when we create our content. We are their top brand ambassadors, but also they give us some perks for doing so. We have early access to the new releases, the new features. Why is that important?
Yeah, because it helps us test the tools and create content, so we have something ready to show you when the tools are released. So basically you are going to get first-hand information when you watch our tutorials.
Yes, but also we can influence like the way certain things are built. Sometimes the product teams ask us for feedback, and we can give them your feedback. Like when you react on our videos in the comments saying, oh, I love this, or this, it's not really working. We can escalate these feedback directly to Canva and the product managers. That's very important for you to continue to let us know what you think. And then Canva experts get invited to community labs, to event, to Canva Create, stuff like that. And this year is going to be a packed year. We cannot really tell you more about this right now, but there are some really exciting things coming up.
Yeah.
All right. So still talking about Canva, what does it mean in terms of content? Well, let's start with YouTube. So we've thought long and hard about this as well. On YouTube, we want to focus on two things when it comes to Canva.
The kind of content that you guys love the most.
Yes, we actually analyze the data. And what you guys like the most is, one, the Canva news. So that's the What's Hot in Canva series and the Hot New Canva Apps series, but also the new feature deep dives. So that is when Canva rolls something out and we go deep into that feature. We show you everything. So Canva videos, Canva websites, or even how to get started with Canva, Canva for beginners type of tutorial.
Yeah.
So you can expect expect more of that on the channel. This is really where we are going to focus when it comes to Canva. Now, on the other hand, for those of you who want the hands-on tutorials, the longer form tutorials, the tips and tricks like the crunchy bit, we will invite you to discover that content on Skillshare and in our courses on Udemy. So we made this split because we figured, okay, sometimes we spend too much time creating content for YouTube where really we should focus on what really works on YouTube. So this means that when it comes to Canva, you will see slightly less videos published on YouTube because we want to take more time to create better videos about Canva for YouTube, but also because we want to explore and teach about new tools, right? And I'm talking about YouTube, I'm talking about free content. We want to explore more about ChatGPT, all of the AI stuff, because you guys like that. Also because there's a huge gap of knowledge of what is possible to do and how to actually use these tools. I'm learning every day, and I really am passionate about this and would like to continue passing on that knowledge. So ChatGPT, Sora, or other AI tools or AI video tools, but also
Leonardo AI, which is already in the Canva family. And if you don't know what Leonardo AI is an image generator, and it's pretty good. We were invited actually to be part of the Leonardo Creator Program. So I believe we're gonna have access as well to
new stuff, new
features, learn more about the platform, so we are able to teach you how to get the best out of this Leonardo.
Yes, and Leonardo will continue to be a separate platform from Canva, though they have been acquired, but they will continue also to deeper integrate with Canva. A result of that, for example, is Dreamlab. Dreamlab is that image generator in Canva, which is powered by Leonardo. But on the other hand, Leonardo keeps having their own product called Leonardo AI. So we want to go deeper into this, so you can expect that kind of content on our YouTube channel. Now, on the other hand, okay, we want to continue to grow our paid courses, all right? So as you know, if you have been following us for a bit, we teach on 2 platforms. And we teach in 2 languages as well. So we teach on Skillshare. Those are shorter classes. And on Udemy, these are longer courses, more
master courses.
Master courses. The average could be, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 hours. The Canva master course is about 30 hours. And Diana also has some content on Udemy in Spanish. So those of you who prefer learning in Spanish can find her content there. So as priority goes, what we will do is first make sure that our main courses, the Canva Master Course in both languages, are always fresh and updated. Okay, this is something very important. Canva is changing so fast that we need to stay on top of it. And we cannot do that if we are in the hamster wheel creating 2 videos per week on YouTube. So we need some time to focus on this. This year, I have invested a lot of time, me and the team, to update the Canva Master Course. It's in a good place right now. So yeah, now Diana needs to do the same in Spanish.
Yes, so because the team was busy updating the course in English, I started a little bit later, but I'm in the process of updating my Spanish Canva course.
And these are very popular on Udemy. The Canva Master Course is still the best-selling Canva course. So this requires a lot of work and maintenance. Next, Skillshare. So I am also deepening my relationship with Skillshare. I have been invited last year to become a top teacher on the platform. And I like that platform. I think it's a very flexible platform. It's a fun platform. It's a platform for creatives. So I think our style and content completely matches the vibe of Skillshare. And I want to keep pushing classes there. So what we typically used to push in our YouTube membership, I want to publish it on Skillshare first. This shorter format of classes allow us to ship them faster. We can create a class in a week, maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, but we can do it faster. And this velocity gives us more flexibility. And last but not least, we want to continue to explore new ways of connecting with you guys. So that means more in-person events. Those are the absolute best, when we can actually see you, give you a hug, take a selfie together, or have a conversation. We've done that last year in London in the Canva event.
Well, that was 2023 actually.
2023. Well, we did it recently. Last year, we had the community labs in Madrid. We had another one in Barcelona. There's Canva Create. Who knows where we will be this year? But we want want to connect with you guys in person whenever
Yeah.
possible. One-on-one sessions. I offer these one-on-one sessions via my Skillshare profile. So this is a great way to connect and go deeper on a specific topic that is dear to you. Webinars. We've had this webinar with Tian Yu. We want to continue having more webinars like this where we are teaching directly to you guys.
Yeah.
And then the YouTube live sessions.
Yeah, these are super fun. And like the last time we did it, it was last year.
Yep.
And it was super fun to see you guys writing comments and we were replying to you.
It's a more interactive kind of conversation.
Exactly. Yes.
So that's pretty much it. That is our plan for 2025. We keep what's working best and we double down on this.
And we give you more of what you like. So
You more of what you like. Exactly. And we keep that quality. That is very important for us. So what do you say, guys? Let us know in the comment section if you are happy about everything we explained.
also, we do recommend you watch our latest video in which we shared all of our wins in 2024. That is a pretty fun video to watch. We recorded it, the two of us. So that's gonna be popping out on screen right now. And I guess see you on the next video.
Yep. Happy day.
Bye!
Bye.